guys, Aviation is here, and in this video I'm going to unbox Emirates Boeing 777-300 extended range in 1:100 scale. And this aircraft actually wears Boeing 1000th livery, which makes it special. So guys, I'm just gonna give you a very few detail about this very aircraft. This aircraft was actually built in 2012, and its first flight was on 6th March 2012, and later that month it was delivered to Emirates and it was inducted in Emirates field, and Emirates felt honor to have 1000th Boeing airliner in its fleet. Guys, I got this aircraft from Emirates official store, and it's official licensed product by Emirates. And here's the box. Actually, I was expecting the landing gear version, but they sent me this because I just paid them like $20 or so. And the Emirates is one of my favorite airlines because they give you the best. So this was very vital information you guys need to know. I'll just go ahead and show you the box, the details on the box. Okay, here's the box. Here's the box. EmiratesOfficialStore.com. It's official licensed product. The specifications I just told you. It's span, which is 64.8 meters, length 73.9 meters, height 18.5 meters, maximum range 14,594 kilometers, and its fuel capacity 181,300 liters. Its engines, it has General Electric General Electric, okay, GE 90-115 Bravo, or you can say GE 90-115B, and it has 354 to 428 passenger seats, 18 cabin crew seats, and 4 flight crew seats. The actual aircraft's images on the box, and the box is pretty cool. You can see the icons on the box, and they look very beautiful. They have very good making of the box, and I actually loved this when I got hands on it, and I thought to share it with you guys. Okay, here was it. It's actually the back of the box. The front of the box was a bit grayish, and that was the contrast issue, so I just prefer to show this one. Okay, I'll show you another side. It's Boeing 777-300 extended range. Here's the other side of the aircraft. Here you can see clearly the 1000th 777 collector's edition. So this aircraft is the 1000th 777. Boeing 777-300 extended range, Emirates.com, Al Amarat, Emirates, everything written on in Arabic and English. So guys, this was the aircraft, everything from each side, and just go ahead and open it. Oops, it's something is not right here. It's elevators. It's a flip-on model, guys. Here you can see it's sand. This was the box. It's a very good box, and I actually love this box making with its colors and everything. It's different and it's artistic. So here's the fuselage. Yes, here it is, 1000th 777 A6EGO Alpha 6 Echo Golf Oscar. It's a very lightweight plastic. Oh, so it seems it remains good. Emirates, it's have a good detail on it. wings. Rip off. Yeah. Just inside. Its tail. And its elevators. Okay guys, this was the unboxing. I'll just flip it on. It's a flap up model, and I'll just give it a few repairs. Guys, just flap on. It's quite easy, guys. I have seen videos in which they're trying to put on the models, but it got stuck in some points. I hope so. Sorry, I flipped. This is the right, I guess. I hope you could see this, but it's very easy to fix this aircraft. And here we go, guys. This is the aircraft, and it looks very good. It looks very great. Just open up the stand. Pardon me, guys, for here's its stand. You can see Boeing 777-300 extended range, scale 1/200 by Emirates, and it's a very good build. Just go ahead and fix this. Yes, this is the right way, I guess. You can see. Okay, about the aircraft. So here's Boeing 777-300 extended range, Emirates. It's still, I'll show you guys once it already on display. And yes, here we go, guys. Here's the aircraft. I hope you could see this. Okay, here. It looks good. It's very beautiful aircraft, and it's very lightweight aircraft. I was actually expecting it to be a bit heavy, and I was also expecting landing gears with it, but they didn't came. I just spent like $20 on it, and it's a very good aircraft, and $20 for me. And it looks good. It looks very good and pro on this, you can say, stand. Its engines, I guess, they don't move, but I'm okay with it. It's a very good aircraft, and as I told you, that Emirates is one of my very favorite airlines beside Etihad and Qatar, and there are a few more. I'll not name them in here, but it's a very good looking aircraft, guys, actually, and it's worth it. It's amazing. Okay guys, that was it. That was the unboxing of my Emirates Boeing 777-1000 Livery. So guys, till the next video, till the next update, stay tuned. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Please do comment. Please tell me about the aircraft. I'm again saying, if you have any, you need to know any information about this aircraft or any aircraft I have, if you need to know anything about the aviation or my model aircraft, model airports, you feel free to ask. I'll be glad to help you guys. I'll be glad to reply you, and I'll help you guys. So feel free to ask anything about aviation or model aircrafts. I'll help you guys. Till then, take care, stay blessed, peace.